Hey everyone, Namaste and welcome to our YouTube channel Tutor Pratik. Today in this session we are going to learn some new form attributes that available in HTML5. Earlier, web developers needed to write JavaScript for performing the validations on the data entered by the users in the form field. But now in HTML5 we have some pre-designed new form attributes. So today in this session we are going to learn some new form attributes. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel, please do subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell button that you can be notified whenever we publish our new session videos. So let's start today's session. For now we have one text box for name and second one for address and one submit box. While we design our HTML form, all the field will not be compulsory. For example, the name field which I added the asterisk sign is compulsory and the address is optional. So users must enter the name in this field. For making this type of validation, we can use the new features of HTML5 form attribute. To make this name text field for compulsory, we will add one attribute for this name text box required equal to true. You can add the required attribute and the value true for that input type which you want to make compulsory. Let's check it in our browser. Now when I click this submit button, the name field shows the error, please fill out this field. Means without entering any values for this name we can't submit this form. Similarly, we can use another new form attribute to guide our visitors what they have to write in this text box. For this, we can add an attribute placeholder. And in the value of placeholder, you can give instructions to the visitors what they have to write in that box. I added placeholder attribute in my both text box and gave some instructions they have to input in that box. Now let's check it in our browser. So by using this placeholder attribute, you can give instructions to the visitors to write in that box. In this way, you can also make some patterns to guide your visitors what kind of format they have to input on the respective text box. To test this pattern attribute, let's create one another field, telephone number. Now we added two tail input types and also we added pattern attribute to guide our user for required pattern. Now save it and let's check it in our browser. Now we have a tail input type with using the pattern, and also we added a title attribute to guide our users to type in this format. So when we hover the mouse, it shows the format that the user should be input and the required information for the user for inputting the values on these boxes. Along with this, we have another new form attribute, autofocus. HTML5 has introduced autofocus attribute for the form element. The autofocus attribute will focus on the input field on page load. For this purpose, we have to add autofocus attribute on our input type. Autofocus. And for autofocus attribute, we do not need any value. So just add the autofocus on our required input type. Now save it. And now when I refresh this page, our cursor will be automatically goes to this address field. In this way, this autofocus attribute works. In this way, by using this HTML5 new form attributes, you can validate your HTML5 and make interactive changes in your HTML5 to make user friendly. That's all for today. We will come back again with a new HTML5 session. Until then, take care and goodbye.